How to change hidden photos password in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change hidden photos password in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So when you go to your Photos app and if you scroll down, you should see the hidden folder under Utilities. If you tap on it, you will need to go through a password or you'll need to go through your Face ID authentication. You will need to do that to access the hidden photos folder. Now, if you want to change the password for it, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings and change the password for your iPhone itself, because the hidden folder does not have a dedicated password. What you'll need to do is that you'll need to head over to settings, scroll down and head over to Face ID and passcode, and then change the passcode for your entire iPhone, as it shares the password with your hidden folder as well. So if you want to change the password for your hidden folder, you'll have to change the password for your entire iPhone. So simply change the password. You'll see the change passcode right under Face ID and passcode. Tap on it, just type in your old passcode and then type in your new passcode. After you do that, you can just, change the password, and that is how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.